How to use clean function in Excel? The clean function in Excel removes all non-printable characters from the text. The syntax of clean function is equal to clean text. The text argument is the data from which you want to remove the non-printable characters. In the first example, we have text in cell A2 and A3, and we will use the clean formula to remove non-printable characters. The formula will be equal to clean and select the text and close the bracket and enter, and copy the formula down to remove all the non-printable characters. Let's go to the next example. In this example, we have the text in multiple lines. So how to remove line breaks? The formula will be equal to clean and select the text, and it will remove the line breaks. Let's go to the next example in which I have the lines as well as space. If I use the clean formula and select the text, I'll have lot of space in between the words. So how to combine clean and trim function in Excel? The formula will be equal to trim, then clean, select the text, close the bracket for clean and close the bracket for trim and enter. Let's go to the next example in which if I use the clean formula, it will not remove the special characters. So let's find out how to combine the clean and substitute function in Excel. So first go to the text, press F2 and copy the text or symbol which you want to remove. Then in the formula type equal to substitute clean, select the text, comma, the old text will be with a double quote the copied text, and the new text will be in double quote blank, and close the bracket and enter. Please do subscribe to learn more formulas and functions.